In this video, you're going to learn how to moderate comments and reviews on your Facebook page. So to get started, let us look at how to moderate comments. So anytime that you make a Facebook post, underneath you're going to see comments from other people here. Now, a lot of the time these comments are helpful, they're real comments, but in some cases you actually see these kind of spammy comments, and usually what they are bots or paid services that people use just to comment on a load of different Facebook pages in order to give some visibility to their business or Facebook page. So to avoid this and to really keep your comment section as something useful and not just a load of spam comments, what you can do is actually start to moderate comments. So every time you make a post, maybe come back the day after and you can look at the comments, and you could have the option to hide a comment. So let me have a look here. So I'm just going to hide a comment, and then you're going to see that you have the option to unhide the comment, delete it, report it, or ban that person from commenting on your Facebook page. Now I'm just going to unhide this for the moment because I think that is a genuine comment. But you can ban people from your Facebook page. And this is the best way to get rid of those obviously spam comments from the current post and from all future posts. If they commented one spam comment, my policy is just, look, you're just banned. And then if they reach out to me, I can unblock them, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. So you can ban people. When you ban people, they're no longer able to comment on any of your posts. They won't see your posts in their newsfeed, but they can still come to your Facebook page. So I'm just going to unhide that because I think it was just a normal comment. Now, if you want to moderate your comments even further or unblock those people, you want to come into the settings section at the top right hand corner of your page, and you can see that you have a number of options here. Now, I'll firstly show you how to unblock people. So you come to people and other pages in the right hand side. You select from the drop down menu here, ban people and pages, and then you can see a list of banned people and pages here, and you can select that, and then you can have the option to unban them if you want. So if you made a mistake and they message you and say, hey, why did you ban me, then you can unban them if it was a genuine comment. But as you can see, I've banned quite a few people, so the spam comments are a real thing on Facebook, and if you have a Facebook page, it's something that you'll just want to moderate to really keep your Facebook page